How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 71 Pontiac LeMans. It's got a GT37 badge. It's done in its factory cocoa brown. They did a judge stripe on the side. Just a super cool car. The previous owner, it was his pride and joy. He unfortunately had passed away, so we ended up purchasing the car. It's got all the original front bumper is showing a little age. You know, all the grills, the headlight bezels are original in excellent condition. This car is a clean California body, then spent a lot of time in Arizona before it came here. Tell you what, the parchment white interior, super cool car. They did the judge wing on it. It's just a really cool car. Rear bumper looks like it's the original and in excellent condition. All the panel fitment, everything's very nice on the car. All factory glass. Car's pretty straight down the sides. It is older paint. Still looks real nice. Then we got a professionally built 455 60 over Butler Performance design. It's got the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, the Edelbrock intake, Holley dual feed. It's got the factory AC, blows cold, power disc brakes, power steering. It's got the factory cast iron ram air exhaust manifolds. Some people call them headers. And the 2.5 inch dual stainless exhaust out the back. The interior, the door panels in this car and dash is all the original in excellent condition. Does have new headliner and visors. Front seat is original. The lower section has been redone. Back seat is all the original. It's all in excellent condition. Jams look good. The jams, they did not paint the jams when they painted the outside of the car. Jams are factory paint. Comes with a car cover. We got, you know, folder and the little tub there full of receipts and paperwork on the car. That trunk light. The car's got quite a few options. It's, you know, remote driver's mirror. Tell you, I really like this pearl white interior in the car. Now it's got a 200 R4 overdrive trans with the B&M controller. Got nice trio gauges under the dash. Got stereo mounted in the glove box with remote. You don't want to cut the dash up at all. It's got 373 posi rear. Hotchkiss front and rear sway bars. It's just a super cool little car. And it's a 455. Side lights, everything works like they should. That's just a cool car. backup lights, everything work in it. Got a set of Dynamax mufflers on it, so it's not real loud. He didn't want it loud, he just wanted to sneak up on people. I tell you, that thing runs really good. Just a cool car with the judge stripe on it, wing. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com and visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.